Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sortable lists UX using React Beautiful DnD, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify sortable lists UX using React Beautiful DnD, begin by setting up your project. Install React Beautiful DnD by running npm install React Beautiful DnD in your terminal. Create a new component for your sortable list. In this component, import the necessary modules from React and React Beautiful DnD. Define your list data in the component's state. Use the DnD provider to wrap your sortable list for drag-and-drop functionality. Create a droppable area where your items will be dropped. Inside the droppable area, map over your list data to render each item. For each item, wrap it in a draggable component to enable dragging. Ensure each draggable item has a unique ID for proper identification. Implement the onDragEnd function to handle the reordering of items when a drag action is completed. Update the state with the new order of items based on the drag results. Test the sortable list in your application to verify that dragging and dropping works as expected. Check for any visual indicators during the drag process, such as item shadows or placeholder items. Ensure that accessibility considerations are in place for keyboard navigation and screen readers. Refine the UI and improve the user experience based on your findings during testing. Repeat the testing process to confirm that all elements function correctly and efficiently. Finally, document the implementation for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.